Are you spending too much time reading research papers and taking insights from them? If so, I have a good news for you. Bard's new features can help you and save a lot of time and improve your research efficiency. What is Bard? Let's start with the basics. Bard is a state-of-art large language model developed by Google AI. It's been meticulously trained on a vast dataset of text and code. Bard can tackle various tasks, including text generation, language translation, creative content creation, and providing informative answers to your questions. Now let's shift our focus to how Bard can be a game changer for your research efforts. First and foremost, Bard excels at helping you identify relevant research papers, articles, and other essential sources. By analyzing your research topic, it generates a list of resources that are directly related to your work. Whether you are embarking on a new research project or simply seeking the latest research, Bard streamlines the process. Research thrives on innovative ideas. Bard is your creative partner, capable of generating fresh insights by analyzing your sources and comprehending your research topic. When you are stuck or seeking a novel approach, Bard offers invaluable assistance. Now that you understand the powerful capabilities of Bard, let's explore how to make the most of this tool. Head to the Bard's website and sign in with your Google account. Once you logged in, enter your query into the search bar and press enter. Bard will promptly return a list of results that directly relate to your query. Imagine you want Bard to read and summarize a research paper. You can either copy the link of an PDF or request Bard to find the paper by its title. Bard will navigate through the paper seamlessly. Afterward, instruct Bard to provide a summary, explain the abstract, touch on the conclusions, limitations, and more. For example, I want Bard to find most recent papers on any particular topic. Let's say I write image processing for healthcare. Now, here you see the most recent papers that have been published on Google Scholar. He gave me that. And if I want him to give me its source links, for example, I want the source links of PDF, then you can write, please provide me the source links, and press enter. And Bard will give you the source links based on its information. Now you need to copy this link and paste it toward the browser and see the PDF. Now you can do a lot with the Bard. For example, if you want to ask the Bard what are the gaps in this paper, based on that gaps, you can find new idea. Or if you not even understand completely, then again you can ask the Bard to summarize it very efficiently. Then it can give you a very vast explanation according to that paper. If you are ready to take your research to the next level, I highly recommend giving Bard a try. If you have any questions about Bard, please leave a comment below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more productive videos.